Hello everyone, hope you all are very fine. In this video, I will explain Thales theorem. This is also called basic proportionality theorem or BPT. This is theorem 6.1 from the chapter triangle. So what the theorem says, according to the statement, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the statement of the theorem. Let us draw a triangle. This is triangle ABC, and a line we will draw parallel to BC. Name this line DE. Now what is given here? What is given here? Only given DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that AD by DB equals to AE by EC. These things we have to prove. AD by DB and AE by EC. We have to prove this ratio. So let us do some construction. What construction we have to do? Draw a perpendicular on AE. Draw a perpendicular on AE from the point D and on AD from the point E. Like that. Name this point M and N. Also join BE and DC. This is the construction we have performed. So write down, draw perpendiculars perpendiculars on AD and AE from E and D respectively. Now we will prove this theorem. Let us prove. First we will take in triangle ADE and EDB. In triangle ADE and triangle EDB. This triangle ADE and EDB. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE. It is also written as area of triangle ADE. So we will write this in this form. Area of triangle ADE equals to, what is the formula of area of triangle? It is half into base into height. So we will write half into base is how much? ADE. This is the perpendicular, so this will be the base. AD is the base. AD is the base. AD into height. What is the height? This is the perpendicular, so height will be EM. EM, this is the area, and area of triangle EDB, 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 1/2 into what is the base? Base of the triangle is BD or DB. And what is the height of this triangle? EDB is an obtuse angle triangle. Let us see. EDB is an obtuse angle triangle like that. Like that. And what is the height of obtuse angle triangle? What is the height of obtuse angle triangle? Whenever we consider the height of the obtuse angle triangle, we produce the base and draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex. So this is the height. This is the height, and this is how we calculate the height of an obtuse angle triangle. And triangle ADB is also an obtuse angle triangle. So height will be EM. So what is the height of triangle EDB? EDB, EM is the height. We will write EM. Now we will calculate area of triangle ADE by area of triangle, ratio of the areas, ratio of the areas. EDB, EDB. This will become 1/2 into AD into EM by 1/2 into AD into DB into EM, DB into EM. EM will be cancel out, half cancel out. So ratio of area will be AD by DB. Let this is relation 1. Now in triangle we will consider now another triangle AED. In triangle AED and triangle EDC, EDC, EDC. Area of triangle AED, area of triangle AED is equals to 1/2, and base is how much? AE is the base, AE. And what is the height in this triangle? DN is the height, DN. Also area of triangle EDC, EDC. This is 1/2, and what is the base? EC is the base. And what is the height? Similarly, we have taken previously height of an obtuse angle triangle. How height is determined? We produce the base and draw a perpendicular on the produced line. So this is the height. Similarly, height will be DN. Doing the same thing or taking the same thing, height will be DN. DN is the height. Now ratio of the areas, area of triangle AED by area of triangle EDC equals to 1/2 into AE into DN, 1/2 into EC into DN. This DN will be cancel out, half cancel out. So this becomes AE by EC. Let this is relation 2. Relation 2. Now what we are observing here, we are seeing that area of triangle EDC and area of triangle EDC and DEB, area of triangle DEB. Observe it carefully. Area of triangle EDC and area of triangle DEB both will be equal. How the areas of this triangle be equal? It is because the triangles are on the same parallels. The triangles are on the same parallels, that is DE and BC. DE and BC. An area which are on same base or same parallel, area of those triangles are equal. That's why area of triangle DEC and area of triangle DEB will be equal. Let this is relation 3. So we can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDB. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDB equals to area of triangle AED by area of triangle EDC. DEC or EDB both are equal. Since ADE and AED it is the name of same triangle, so this will be equal. That numerator will be equal, and denominator we are already seeing that these two triangles are on the same parallel. So area of this triangle will be equal. So from 1 and 2 we can write that AD equals to AD by DB equals to AE by EC, and this is the relation we have to prove. This is the Thales theorem, and how this is the way how Thales theorem can be proved. First, draw a triangle and note down the given things. Then take the areas of the triangle ADE and EDC, find the ratio of the area, and again do the same thing. Take the triangle AED and EDC, take the ratio of the areas, and one more thing which is very important, which is necessary to show that triangles on the same base, area of triangle on the same base are equal. So this is how we prove the Thales theorem. This is also known as BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. So hope you have got the topic, got the theorem properly.